Hey guys, part 4 of the 5-litre budget Mini ITX build. While I'm waiting for the 1660 Super Phoenix to arrive, I did some cable management, pretty much. Cable tied the flex PSU cables to the side. I replaced the computer fan with a thermal right fan that I had lying around on my previous build. It is way quieter. And then I installed the SSD and took the sticker off for extra FPS. I then installed Windows 10 Pro. I updated the BIOS to the latest version, ran Prime 95, and realized the Middlefish Z39 was not going to cool this puppy down at beyond 100 watts, and I actually hit 100 degrees Celsius fairly quickly. So I ordered the Johnswo HP400S. I've used this before and it can handle 140 watt TDP and is sub 39 millimeters, so it will fit in the case. Unfortunately, that is 9 days of waiting. Once I get the 1660 Super, the 18mm fan for the top of the case, and the Johnswo HP400S, I should be able to finish this build and list it on Facebook Marketplace as the cheapest, smallest ITX build on Facebook Marketplace.